Hey guys, Milk Carton here, and I just wanted to show you what I'm working on. I'm taking keys from a Razer keyboard, and I'm altering them slightly to be my own special thing to create different textured keys for people that really like gaming or just like the aesthetic of a keyboard with different pieces on it. So what I do is I make a mold using silicone, a 2-part silicone putty, and I put them into it, press them in, and then I will cover them, and then I'll have multiple air spigot holes or whatever they're called to offset the plastic that's going in, even though that might not make a lot of sense. And then when I'm done casting, I end up with keys like this. This is one I already made, and I mean it's got a little bit of work yet to be done to it, but I'm still working out the details. And this one you could put right into your keyboard right now. See? I guess it didn't really go on all the way. But as I said, this is an old. Oh, there we go. Still a little sticky, sorry. But the plan is to get all the kinks worked out, and it'll work just like any normal key. Thank you.
Video? Yeah, this is video. Okay.
People are gonna be like, what is he using a wrench for?
Okay. Whenever you're ready.
Okay, get out the nerves. Get out.
Wait, is this right?
Nerves.
Is this right?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Okay. Hey guys, Milk Carton.
Accidentally zoomed in.
Hey guys. There you go.
Okay. Take
We
two.
have like a full 2 minutes of bloopers already.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. You can turn it off. By the way, I recorded my own background music for this video, so if you like what you see and you want to support me, please drop a like and subscribe. See you next video.